Hey guys, Rory the Realtor here. So, ready to maximize your home's value? Partner with a trusted real estate advisor to nail your pricing and strategy from day one. Start with high impact staging. Every $100 invested can return up to $400 in value. And don't forget that crucial curb appeal. Simple upgrades like fresh paint and modern kitchen touches build massive buyer confidence. So message me today for a customized home valuation and a game plan to get you sold.
Wow.